I've been feeling stuck, spinning. Like the days are just passing me by, but my to-do list is just getting longer and longer. I keep telling myself I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow always feels impossible. If you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or like procrastination is taking over your life, this is for you. What are you doing? I am about to film a video. I feel like I've been in a rut for too long and I've been procrastinating, and it's time for me to get up and do something. So I decided that I am going to start a series on the channel called Operation Get My Life Together. I'm going to get things done. You cannot be serious. What about the cereal bag? Part 2, you have yet to even post that. You have prizes to mail out. You have a giveaway that you've been trying to do. You bought this advent calendar to do videos every day of December and you haven't even opened it yet. You are so far behind, and I'm just looking out for you. I just don't want you to be overwhelmed. Exactly, I'm overwhelmed, and I will continue to be overwhelmed if I don't take the first step. The reason why I'm overwhelmed is because I'm allowing everything to pile up. Start next year. You don't have to rush to get things together. I want to get back to my routines. I want to get back to a flow in life and, just having things in order. I'm so excited about it because I know I cannot be the only one struggling like this, and I cannot allow procrastination, stagnation, feeling like I'm in a rut, all these things to weigh me down and to keep me stuck in the same place. I think we should get nice and cozy on the couch. There's this film. I think you should take it easy. You should relax. I think that we should watch a movie on Netflix. We have popcorn. And you can just pick things back up in January. Okay? Come on. Let's do it in January. First thing January. No, I'm not going to do that. I am ready to do the things that I need to do. I am ready to take control of my life. Why wait until January? If I wait until January, then I will pretty much carry these bad habits into the new year. And the whole purpose of me doing this is to enter the new year fresh and ready. It's time that I get my life back together. So, no. Gosh. Well, I'm here whenever you're ready. I just thought it would be better to cozy up and relax with a movie. But if you'd rather toil and work hard, go ahead and do so. I don't think you're ready to do all that because you're overwhelmed. Do what you gotta do. Start your series, even though you need to finish that other series, working with a cereal bag, part 2. All right. Okay, I'm ready to get started. When you're in a rut, I'm starting with the easiest part of what I want to accomplish today. So I'm doing the living room, and I'm also doing my room, my she room, my chill room, my safe haven. And right now it's not looking like that, so we're gonna save that for last. But right now I'm gonna get this done, and then we're just gonna push forward. First things first, music. So you saw what I was up against, and that is every single day. I am done with letting this voice control me. I've been procrastinating on everything: cleaning, finishing up projects, and even something as simple as opening up an advent calendar, something that could bring me joy. It's time for me to push through, even if I'm uncomfortable. You know what I'm realizing? I'm realizing that I cannot depend on motivation because I don't have any. Excuses makes the day easier, but it makes tomorrow a whole lot harder. Nice and cozy, just the way I like it. I've heard it said discipline makes today harder, but tomorrow a lot easier. I want to go into 2025 with discipline, something that I've been lacking for too long. Okay, so I'm gonna knock everything out in this room. Then I can get through the hard things. And trust me, there are some hard things coming up. Okay, so this is trash. I have a big trash bag. So if you're cleaning with me, grab a big trash bag. But I just didn't realize it. I thought I was stuck. I'm no longer holding on to a whole bunch of these. No way. I have enough. I thought I was spinning. I thought I was spiraling when all along I've just been simply lacking discipline because I want to have the push through to do things. Discipline does not require that. Oh my gosh, I miss journaling so bad. I don't even have time to do stuff like that anymore, but I do journal. Like I do the junk journaling thing and I miss it so much. I want to make time for the things in my life that matter, my hobbies, like my creative endeavors, everything. I want to have time for it. And that's why I'm so adamant about going into the new year with intention. We have to set our intentions. And this is a letter that I wrote to my pen pal back in May 26, 2024. And I didn't quite finish it. May. That's going on the list for me to finish. I got this from the Dollar Tree. I love it. Look at that, friends. It's a moon. Oh. I got one for my hubby, one for me. I'll feature it in a haul that I have coming up. I thought that was so cute. You haven't used it for over a year, throw it in the trash. I haven't always been like this. I used to be the most disciplined OCD person you could imagine, but somewhere along the way, I lost my discipline, and I'm not stopping until I get it back. All junk journaling stuff. So I will put this to the side, and it has my schedule. So this is gonna go to the side. This goes in the craft closet out there. So far, friends, did it. It's all in mindset. It's just deciding like, hey, I no longer want to continue with this pattern. It's taken me over a month to do this decision, just by making a decision. Let's keep moving. Oh my gosh, look how ashy I am. You wouldn't believe that I bathe in lotion. That's what happens when you live in dry weather. I'm ashy, and that's because I have on long sleeve. Oh well. Okay, so that's good. I did it. Okay, so now I'm gonna get this part done, and I'm just gonna whiz through it because if I stop to think about it, I'm just gonna move on to something else and it's not gonna finish. I'm gonna overwhelm myself. So I gotta go move as fast as I can right now. Once I get rid of the clutter, once I organize and get things situated the way that I want all over my home, then I'll be able to pretty much do my routines. I'm going to take control of my life again. This, it's so heavy, is a haul that I have coming up. I'm so excited because it's so much fun. But I gotta get my stuff together. See, I end up moving things from one place to another. That's why I need to declutter so that I'll have a space for, like, for example, this is miscellaneous thing that I need. Instead of just going from one spot to the next, I'll have a space for it. I want to save every piece of junk. I was painting something and it got on this black tissue. I'm throwing it away. No more saving junk. Because I do like to hoard. Things are so crazy in this world. It leaves my mind frazzled. Who is with me? Let's go into 2025 ready to take it on and ready to conquer it and not allowing it to conquer us. I'm tired of feeling overwhelmed. I'm tired of going in circles, and I'm ready to change, to make a change in my life. A big change. It's time to show up. No distractions. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at that. We're making progress. Keep going. Buddy. Hey, honey. Okay, so this is gonna go in the closet. Hubby picked up dinner. I'm excited. Woo! So I got a salad. Okay, so this is like a lime dressing that they recommended, and this is like a balsamic, so I'm excited. I am craving consistency and discipline in my life. I am ready to show up. How about you? We will be tackling procrastination, excuses, and stagnation. I want to be the best version of myself, not the easiest version. I want to enter the new year as the most disciplined version of myself. We did it. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful that I was able to get all of this stuff done. That's only the beginning. So I hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful evening, or whatever time it is for you in the world. And I appreciate you so much. Can you tell that I'm pooped? Yeah, because I was fighting against the thoughts that were telling me to sit down and relax. So until next time. Next up, the closets, cabinets, and laundry. And maybe, just maybe, I'll finally open the advent calendar and finish that cereal bag video.